everybody. It's about a weekend after the race. I'm gonna start washing this thing, pulling the motor out of it. Well, maybe we'll pull the spark plugs and see what's going on with it. But we're gonna start there. Start rolling this thing out, parking it right here on the concrete, giving it a wash. I got some cleaning up to do. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there right now. So yeah, here we go. Oh, it just went off. There it goes. All right. There you go. All right. Alright, you guys are gonna have to steer now. We'll just do its own thing. Alright. Yeah, you guys drove it better than I did. Might have to hire you all to drive this thing. So, there's not a whole lot of room. The car doesn't really run too good. So I don't want to sit there and kind of force it if it doesn't want to go, and hurt more than already is. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down. I'm gonna back this car up a little bit, close this front door, and I think I'll probably just wash it right there. Hey everybody. The GoPro was charging in the house, and then it came out here to the, it's probably about 82, maybe high 70s, low 80s, out right now. Pitch dark out there, but that's why the camera keeps fogging up. Every time I take video, camera just fogs right up. Well, anyway, it's because it was charging in the AC house. It's like 70 degrees in there, and out here it's quite a bit warmer, so it just kind of fogs over. But anyway, little update. After washing it, I put the car back in the trailer. That's why it's in the front yard. It was over here on this side of the thing, but I loaded the car back up in the trailer because really my intentions were to pull the motor. I didn't have room because I had a different project going on at the same time underneath the shop, the portable shop. There's that other project over there, that red piece. So that kind of covered the whole shop floor here. So it took a while to clean all that stuff up and well, I say organized, but it's an organized mess over there right now. The car barely fits in the shop here. Getting back to it, I want to show you guys. Very embarrassed, honestly, to really even show you guys this, but hopefully I can take this and learn from my mistakes, obviously, and just triple, quadruple, whatever 5 is. 5 ruple, I don't know. But anyway, I gotta start checking everything over, even other people's work, whatever they do on this car, I just need to check over. But take a look at this. See how wobbly them are? I got a missing bolt right there, a blown out exhaust gasket. You can see me move this thing. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see me move it. Header bolt. Header bolt's got some space in there. Space in there. Space in there. The front one's the only one that's tight. So, shame on me. I should have checked. The other one, I don't really know what happened here. But when I was washing this thing, these 2 plugs right here, which is on the driver's side, so that's 1, 3, 5, and 7. 5 and 7, there is enough space. I'll show you. I found them like this. This one was like about there, and that one was right there, just like that. I mean, that's a rough estimate of how I found them. So I know they had to be on for the heat race. So after that, I was messing with my power steering hose a little bit. There was a kink right here, so I wasn't getting full power steering. It wasn't good. So I was messing with that, and I was checking this hose, and I was checking a couple other things after the heat race. I think maybe my arm might have hit one of these or something, or 2, or both, or what, I don't know, but I think my arm must have hit it, knocked it off a little bit, and then it just started falling off because of the bumps on the racetrack and stuff. So I don't think the motor's hurt. It sounded terrible when I came in, but it was only running on 6 cylinders, and it was backfiring like crazy, and I think the backfire is because of the headers. So that's on me. I take it. I messed up my night. I messed up Mr. Ryan Fowler's night, just for mistakes that I made. So it is what it is. But I got a new radiator priced up through Glory Motorsports there. on the roof of my car. He's gonna help me out with that. I got a fan shroud, so it's gonna be a bigger radiator. I got a fan shroud coming. That stuff, I got that coming. I got some more oil coming from Amsoil. Oil filter. I'm gonna get some plugs. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this thing, make it pretty. Alright, I set you up. Alright. Well, I guess instead of sitting there pointing the camera at my face the whole time and talking at the beginning of the video, I probably could have just started telling you now. So, instead of you guys sitting there looking at my ugly mug for 8 minutes. Anyway, yeah, all these bolts were loose. All these bolts were loose. But, being that Schoenfeld is one of my sponsors, these, by the way, these headers, these things are just badass. Excuse my language, but these things are bad, man. They sound good, they flow good. I mean, this thing's got turn downs, like Schoenfeld mufflers, and they're all that stuff easy to put together, and they're easy. I've never had a flange warp on me at all or nothing. Like they're pretty good. So hopefully that's a good little plug for Schoenfeld. Mr. Doug and Dennis over there at Schoenfeld. Hopefully they watch these videos. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell everybody. If I can get this dang bolt. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got some good news. So, after my last video, I reached the right amount of, I guess it's public watch hours. I'm at the right amount of followers or subscribers on my YouTube. And the requirement of public watch hours, which was 3,000, to become monetized. So I'm now a YouTube partner, which is really cool. And that's all thanks to you guys and gals. Yeah, look at that. That was not gasketing anything. Man, I hate it. I hate it. I wish. That right there wasn't all the problem, but it was a good majority. Got this stuff. Some Felpro gray RTV silicone. It came with my intake gaskets. I don't know if any of you know this or not. I mean, this probably everybody does, but if you flip the cap over, put the cap on upside down and just push it, you pop a hole in it, just like that. Let me get a rag. These are microfiber rags. My Amazon wish list there. I forgot his name. I will look back in it to find his name. But a nice fella went ahead and ordered me these through my Amazon wish list that I had. Go ahead and do that. I'll put that back right there and just this is just gray silicone, so I'm probably going to scrape it all off here. When I get the orange stuff to put the headers back on, I think I'm just going to start using that over there. Tighten that guy up. And that one is weird because that's a bigger head. Tighten him right up. Another one of these. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have tightened that one up. Ooh. Alright, so there's cap one. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them on this side. I'll get you positioned up on that side, and I'll continue to take those ones off. Give the camera a little break, it's getting kind of warm. Okay, so that side's complete. I'll go back around and show you. Went ahead and put the covers on. Got some gray RTV in them. For now, it's not permanent. I promise. It's just to cover it up for tonight. I was gonna go ahead and do this side and replace the gasket and all, but I'm looking at it. Every single one of them were tight. I couldn't tighten them anymore, and the gasket looks like it's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it. I'm not even gonna mess with it. My luck, I'm gonna end up taking it off, and then now I'm gonna have problems with it. I already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one alone. That side looks good. I checked all the plug wires. Those are the only two. I checked all the plug wires up here. Those are all good. I'm gonna take this in the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and take this radiator out, bring it up there in my wash pad. Go ahead, wash it out. I'll even wash the inside out, get whatever's in there out of there if there is anything. I'm gonna go ahead and get a new belt while I'm out too. I told you guys I was gonna get one last time when I went to the auto parts store, and I forgot those and spark plugs, but I put them on my list. They're on my list. I'm gonna wash those covers. I'm gonna take them inside, wash them. The little breathers right there. Go ahead and take those inside with me tonight. Wash them. Other than that, some more news. Duct tape's coming off. Duct tape can officially. Dang, Cheyenne did a good job with this. Yeah, Cheyenne put all that on, so she did a good job of that. But duct tape's coming off, wrap's going on. I'm gonna change the oil in the rear end. I haven't done that yet since I've had the car, but I've been putting oil in it, and I know how much is in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and change it completely, so that way it's brand new stuff. This thing's gonna hit the racetrack hopefully next weekend. It's gonna hit the racetrack. It's gonna look nice. Hopefully drive nice. It's gonna have new fluids, new everything. This thing should be ready to rip. That's as long as that stuff that I pointed out fixed it. Not 100% sure. I'll find out. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. That's what we are. We're all just one big team. So, anyway, I'm going to go to bed. It's about 11 o'clock on a Saturday. I'm going to go to bed and like, comment, subscribe. You guys are the best.